Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Ever thought about trying something different for your next burger night? Ostrich burgers are a fantastic choice, offering a leaner, healthier option compared to your usual beef. They're surprisingly mild in flavor, which means they pair wonderfully with all your favorite toppings. Get ready to discover a new, delicious, and surprisingly simple meal. First things first, make sure your ostrich patties are fully thawed before you start cooking. If you're working with ground ostrich, remember to handle it gently, forming your patties without overcompressing them. A little salt, pepper, and maybe some garlic powder are all you truly need to highlight that wonderful, natural flavor. Ostrich burgers are quite lean, meaning they cook up much faster than beef, so be ready to keep an eye on them. If you're grilling, get those grates nice and hot, then oil them up before laying down your patties. Pan frying is also a fantastic option. Just use a medium heat with a little bit of oil for that perfect golden brown crust. The trick to a juicy ostrich burger is not overcooking it. Aim for an internal temperature of around 155 degrees Fahrenheit for a delicious medium rare. A meat thermometer is your best friend here, as these lean patties can dry out quickly. Once cooked, give them a few minutes to rest. This helps lock in all those wonderful juices. Now for the best part, serving. Pop your beautifully cooked ostrich burger onto a toasted bun, maybe a light brioche or a hearty whole wheat. Get creative with your toppings. Think creamy avocado, crisp lettuce, or even some sweet, caramelized onions. For a complete meal, a simple side salad or some delicious sweet potato fries would be absolutely perfect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.